What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to restore icon back to default on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on screen. Now here, so click on edit home screen. You will see, click on edit. So click on customize. So if you want to convert to default, so click on default. So again click on screen, you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can revert phone icon back to default on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.